Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the DISM error 87 on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then do not worry. Let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So in the Windows search bar right here, type CMD. Then on the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Then this block window will appear. Now you have to simply type here DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. It's DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health. So this is the exact command that you need to type and hit enter. Now here's the thing, if the process will start or will take like a shorter time to start, just simply press your space key on your keyboard. Just continuously press that until this will start the process, because it depends on your windows. There are some windows that the process, once you input this will eventually start, but there are also some windows that this will take like a shorter time to start the process. So just simply press the space key on your keyboard. So right now I'm still pressing on my space key. And let's see if this starts the process. Anyway, let's just minimize this for now because eventually this will start in a while. But I'll just show you the next method. So I'm just going to minimize this for now. So for the next method is, again, you need to type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. In here, you need to type this command, sfc space forward slash scan now. Do the same thing as what I have done. It's SFC, which stands for System File Checker, space forward slash scan now. Then you have to simply hit the enter button. So beginning of the system scan, this process will also take some time depending on your Windows too. Now let's bring up again the first command. So as you can see, this is not yet starting. It depends on your Windows. So it varies. But in your case, there's no problem for that. There's no issues. Once to start, then you just have to simply wait for this until it became completed. And also for the system file checker scan. So what these two commands will do is that this will scan for and repair any system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations, and obviously will help you fix the issue. So these are the two powerful commands that you can do to help you fix the issue. So once this is done, once this is completed, then you just have to simply close out that, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And right after that, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.